Finding clients on Twitter requires a strategic approach and consistent effort. Here are some steps to help you find potential clients on Twitter. Optimize your Twitter profile. Make sure your Twitter bio and profile are clear, professional, and highlight what you do and the services you offer. Use relevant keywords that potential clients might search for. Identify your target audience. Determine the type of clients you want to attract. Understand their interests, needs, and pain points. This will help you tailor your content and approach to resonate with them. Use hashtags. Research and use relevant hashtags related to your industry or services. Hashtags make your content more discoverable by people interested in those topics. Engage in conversations. Participate in discussions related to your field. Comment on tweets, answer questions, and offer valuable insights. Engaging with others will increase your visibility and attract potential clients. Share valuable content. Regularly share high-quality content that showcases your expertise and adds value to your audience. This can include blog posts, infographics, videos, or helpful tips. Follow industry influencers. Identify and follow influencers in your industry. Engage with their content and participate in their conversations. This can help you connect with potential clients who follow these influencers. Network with your existing clients. If you already have clients, connect with them on Twitter. Engage with their content and ask for testimonials or referrals if they're happy with your services. Twitter Advanced Search. Use Twitter's advanced search feature to find tweets related to specific keywords, phrases, or location. This can help you identify potential clients who are looking for services or products you offer. Twitter Lists. Create and subscribe to Twitter lists relevant to your industry. Lists allow you to keep track of potential clients and what they are talking about. Run Twitter ads. Consider using Twitter's advertising platform to target specific audiences based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Participate in Twitter chats. Join Twitter chats related to your industry. Engage with participants and demonstrate your knowledge. This can help you build relationships with potential clients. Offer special promotions. Occasionally, offer Twitter-exclusive promotions or discounts to attract potential clients. Measure your efforts. Use Twitter Analytics to measure the effectiveness of your efforts. Analyze which strategies are working and adjust your approach accordingly. Remember, building relationships on Twitter takes time and consistency. Be genuine, helpful, and focused on providing value to your audience. Avoid aggressive selling and focus on establishing yourself as a trustworthy and knowledgeable professional in your field. When searching for potential clients on Twitter, you can use a combination of general and specific keywords relevant to your industry or services. Here are some example keywords to help you get started. Your industry. Replace your industry with your specific industry or niche. For example, hashtag digital marketing, hashtag graphic design, hashtag fitness coach, hashtag web development, etc. Service, product, plus, looking for example, looking for social media manager, need web design services, searching for fitness trainer, etc. Service, product, plus, recommendations. For example, marketing software recommendations, best SEO agency, recommended graphic designer, etc. Hiring, plus, job title, service. For example, hiring content writer, looking for virtual assistant, seeking SEO specialist, etc. Your expertise, plus advice. For example, SEO advice, fitness tips, financial planning advice, etc. Your industry, plus tips. For example, social media marketing tips, photography tips, healthy eating tips, etc. Need help with, plus, service, issue. For example, need help with social media, need help with website design, having trouble with weight loss, etc. Your industry, plus question. For example, marketing question, design question, fitness question, etc. Your location, plus, your industry. For example, Los Angeles web designer, Chicago fitness coach, New York graphic designer, etc. Looking to hire, plus, job title, service. For example, looking to hire content writer, looking to hire virtual assistant, looking to hire photographer, etc. When using these keywords, make sure to combine them with relevant hashtags and also search Twitter's advanced search to narrow down your results further. By using targeted keywords, you can increase the chances of finding potential clients who are actively seeking or discussing the services or products you offer. Certainly. Here are some more keywords that can help you find potential clients on Twitter. Your industry, plus services. For example, digital marketing services, fitness training services, graphic design services, etc. Your industry, plus freelancer. For example, freelance writer, freelance photographer, freelance developer, etc. Looking to collaborate. This can help you find individuals or businesses interested in collaborating with others in your industry. Your industry, plus agency. For example, social media agency, SEO agency, design agency, etc. Your industry, plus workshop. For example, marketing workshop, photography workshop, fitness training workshop, etc. Your industry, plus event. For example, web design event, entrepreneurship event, health and wellness event, etc. Your industry, plus conference. For example, digital marketing conference, tech conference, fitness summit, etc. Your industry, plus webinar. For example, SEO webinar, social media webinar, business coaching webinar, etc. Need advice on, plus, topic. For example, need advice on branding, need advice on investing, need advice on weight loss, etc. Looking for inspiration. This can help you find individuals who are seeking inspiration in your field. Recommend a, plus, service, product. For example, recommend a good accountant, recommend a reliable hosting provider, recommend a fitness app, etc. Your industry, plus jobs. For example, marketing jobs, tech jobs, fitness instructor jobs, etc. Want to learn, plus, skill, topic. For example, want to learn photography, want to learn coding, want to learn social media marketing, etc. Your industry, plus podcast. For example, marketing podcast, design podcast, health and wellness podcast, etc. Looking for feedback. This can help you find individuals seeking feedback on their work or projects. Remember to combine these keywords with relevant hashtags and use Twitter's advanced search features to refine your search results further. Regularly monitor the conversations related to these keywords to identify potential clients and engage with them genuinely and professionally.